Hello and welcome to Living Plants. I'm Kitty, I'm a gardener, and today's video is the first in my balcony gardening and design series. In today's video I'm painting this ugly wall and container in my balcony. I've been looking at the both of them for months and they have been driving me mad. The transformation is incredible. It only took me an hour to do, so make sure you watch to the end of the video to see how it turns out. Let's get started. These are my two colours. I had them mixed at the hardware shop. So let's open this one. Where is the opening? Ooh. So this is kind of a sweet yellow. This is going to be for the wall. And then this little one is going to be for the container. Make sure when you're painting outside things like walls or containers that you get outdoor paint. Ooh. Look at this. It's like a kind of peachy, terracotta-y, warm, nice colour. I actually bought this other colour today, so I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to add it to the, or take a sample of the colour, the kind of peachy colour for the container, and mix this kind of gorgeous, nice sort of tomatoey red colour with it, and see if it comes up with another colour that I like, because I did this, I mixed my own colour when I was doing my bedroom, and it came up with this gorgeous, gorgeous colour that I don't know, it was just amazing. I could do it on the spot. I could see what the colours looked like at the time in the room, different light, all this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. Not sure. I'm not sure. I scraped as much as I could off the wall, but can't be bothered. Oh look, there's my cat. I don't have a cat, so this one does me right until I get a real one. I've got my roly paint brushes, a little container there for the paint. This is for the majority of the sections, and then I've got these smaller ones just to get into the corners. Let's get started. Start with that much. Now I am aware that when it comes to painting walls outside, it's much better to start with a wall that has no existing paint on it, that the wall is smooth. But to be honest, I didn't have enough time to smooth out the wall. The wall is actually going to be mostly hidden, and if a bit of paint chips off, for me it's not a big problem. The under wall is finished and I'm very happy, but if you can see here, I cannot decide on what colour to paint the container. I'm going to keep mixing. I'm thinking about going for that one or that one, but they just change all the time and they look completely different on camera. I'm going to keep doing tests and then choose one. I've got my colour. So that's both of them completed. I'm so happy with how the colours have come out. Now I just need to get all the plants back into their spots and then it's finished. And here's my balcony. Freshly painted in the beautiful evening light. It's really strange because the color of the container is actually a much pinkier kind of corally red, but in the camera it looks orange for some reason. But it's still really beautiful. There's Sid, the guardian of my balcony. Oh, I got a little bit of paint on Sid. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm so proud of it. I am so glad of it. And honestly, anyone can do it. If I can do it, anybody can. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more planting videos or balcony gardening and design videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.